Hi everyone, I'm Veola, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a simple and calm breast pump routine. If you're a new mom and pumping still feels a little confusing or uncomfortable, don't worry. You're definitely not alone. With a little practice and the right technique, it can become much easier and more comfortable. Let's start with the pump itself. Breast pump is designed to be practical and gentle for everyday use. It has a soft silicone cup that helps create a comfortable seal, and the bottle attaches securely to collect the milk. Before starting, it's always important to make sure that all parts are clean and assembled correctly. Begin slowly. A steady and gentle rhythm works much better than rushing. If you're using adjustable settings, it's usually best to start with a lower level and increase gradually if needed. Every mom's body responds differently, so take your time and find the pace that feels comfortable for you. While pumping, try to stay relaxed. Slow breathing can help, and some moms find it helpful to think about their baby or look at a photo. Small things like this can help the body respond more naturally. When you're finished, carefully remove the pump and close the bottle. After that, make sure to clean all parts thoroughly so they're ready for the next use. Remember, pumping can feel new at first, but it becomes easier with time. Be patient with yourself and trust your journey. You're doing something truly amazing for your baby. Thank you so much for watching and spending this moment with me.